I have a new piece of gear to try out. Now, to be fair, I'm impatient, so I have been trying it at my house already, so I have a few initial thoughts. But I am going to be using it on this long weekend camping trip, and I'll give you my final thoughts in a couple of days. Full disclosure, TCEK did send me this chair for a review, but all thoughts are my own, and if there's anything I don't like about it, I will tell you. They did also give me a discount code, so you can use code ALAdventure5 for 5% off until June 30th of this year. So I'm going to show you how to set it up so that I can start using it. Take it out of its case. You undo this one big Velcro strap around the whole thing. And it kind of falls open like this. And undo the strap around the legs. And they do spring out. And I just wrap this around here so it doesn't get in the way and get all dirty and everything. And you can use this knob here to adjust the height, but it only adjusts like, I think 2.4 inches, so nothing dramatic, but if it is a little too tall or too short for you, you can somewhat adjust it. And then you'll pull all of the arms out until they snap into place. This is my favorite thing about the chair. I love the fact that it spins. They do have an option that spins 360 degrees. This is the SwivelCore Chair, and it spins 180 degrees. The other thing I really like about it is the fact that it comes in blue. It comes in like, I think 5 different colors, but I went with blue because if something comes in blue, I will get it in blue. So one thing I did notice is you have to be careful about tipping forward. This was really bad on my hardwood floors at home. On the dirt, it's not as bad, but if you are on like a slicker surface, like if you're just on rocks, if you tip forward, it immediately wants to like slide out from under you. And even if you are under, it has kind of a weird center of balance. Like it's very easy for it to like tip forward. I do find it to be quite comfortable. It does kind of taper down in towards the bottoms, wider at the top. My boyfriend thought it was a little uncomfortable. I'm 5'2", he's 5'10", so that might have something to do with it. But that didn't stop him from repeatedly sitting in it, so it can't be that uncomfortable. Like I said, I find it quite comfortable. It has a 300-pound weight limit. If you are pushing that, you might be more comfortable in a different chair. Despite the fact it's about half the size of a normal car camping chair when it's packed, when it is set up, it's about the same size as a regular camping chair. It does have a side pocket, which I like. The chair that I have like from Walmart has like a water bottle pocket like built into the arm. I like this better because it's stretchy. The one on my other chair is the exact width of my phone, so if I try and put my phone in it, it hits the power button. So for me, this works a lot better. And half the time if I'm camping, I have like a Nalgene with me anyway, and that's not gonna fit in either one of those pockets. So it is the final day of my camping trip, and I do have some thoughts. So first, I haven't actually mentioned how much this chair cost. Its list price is $110, but I've frequently seen it on sale for $100 even. And I feel that's about normal for a camping chair. You know, if you go to like Walmart or something, you can get something significantly cheaper. If you want like an ultralight backpacking chair, you can get something significantly more expensive. So it's kind of like in the middle, and I'd say that's where this chair fits. It's kind of in the middle of the range. So I feel like it's an accurate price. It does seem pretty durable. I haven't put it through like years of abuse, so I can't speak to that, but I don't see any potential issues with it in regards to durability. If I do end up having any quality issues, I will pin a comment down below. So I feel this chair makes a very good car camping chair, and I will continue to use it on my car camping trips. It does pack down quite well compared to other, again, car camping chairs. Showed you in the beginning, it packs down to like that tall. That being said, even though it is more compact than most car camping chairs, it is not like a backpacking chair. I mean, technically you could bring it backpacking, but it weighs 5 pounds, and that's not something I'm willing to carry into the backcountry. Now that being said, I am currently in the backcountry. I paddled in, so I didn't actually have to carry it on my back. I am undecided if I will continue to use it for paddle camping trips. Obviously, if I'm paddling in, I don't need to carry it on my back. But the weight is added to my board, and I can feel a difference with a ton of weight on the back. So definitely using it for car camping. Definitely not for like backpacking, fast packing, stuff like that. Maybe for paddle camping. I think it will depend a lot on the trip details and like how much time I expect to spend at camp versus not at camp. If I intend to spend a lot of time at camp, then it might be worth it to have a comfy chair. If I don't intend to spend much time at camp, that 5 pounds and the size may be better used for other things. I think this would have been a really good chair to have had last year when I went to Elkmont to see the fireflies. I ended up bringing like a camping quilt to sit on because I didn't want to carry a whole chair, but this I would have carried, especially because it's like less than a mile from the campground to where I watched the fireflies. I just don't want to bring my big chair, but this definitely would have been worth it and would have been quite nice for the fireflies. I will leave links to the chair down below if you want to learn more. If you have any questions that I didn't answer, please leave them down in the comments. Okay, I actually have to pack up camp now, so I might as well show you how to take the chair down. Basically, it's just the same thing as setting it up in reverse. So these legs all come in together. Just wrap the Velcro around them, and then pushing all the buttons. This wraps up, kind of encloses itself. Then it just slides back into its carrying case. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see the vlog from this camping trip. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring. Why is it so windy today? I still have to paddle back to my car. I'm not looking forward to it.